Good morning, it's Debbie, and this is October 19th, 2025. I am on day 14 of Lion Diet with an asterisk, and day 59 of Carnivore. Let me explain the asterisk. The asterisk is because last night, when it got to the end of I guess it was late afternoon, I decided to try a little bit of coffee. And I don't drink my coffee strong. It's pretty weak. My friend Lee would agree with me, won't you, Lee? So anyway, what I did was, because I'd been off it, I made it a lot less masked over. So I would say my normal coffee is like if I were to go to a gas station and get coffee, it would be like 1/4 coffee and the rest water. So that I'm not a big caffeine person, but I like the creaminess with the coffee, but not strong, definitely not bitter. Very little times can I go to a restaurant or a gas station or anything and get coffee that I'm going to like without doctoring it up. So I enjoy my coffee, but I don't think Lee would even call it coffee. Either way, I did add last night one teaspoon of coffee, a full thing of water, and then 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 1/8 of a teaspoon of stevia. So I heard somebody the other day say Lion Diet plus coffee. I know mine is kind of technically Lion Diet plus coffee plus heavy whipping cream plus stevia. But I'm wanting to see what works for me. Maybe it won't. But when I woke up this morning and I weighed, I dropped 1 pound and 2 ounces. So I'm not complaining. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm not planning on adding anything else right now to my Lion Diet. So we'll see how it goes. I'll see if I feel icky or achy or digestive issues or whatever. But right now I feel really, really good, so I'm sticking to it. So I just wanted to have full disclosure here. It is now the Lion Diet plus coffee, a little bit of creamer, and a little bit of stevia. I'm talking way less than I used to do. I used to do probably 3 or 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and probably a half a dropper of French vanilla stevia. So it's a whole lot less. I'm cutting way back to like half of maybe what I used to have, at least half, if not more. So anyway, I tried that last night. It worked for this morning, down 1 pound and 2 ounces. I'll take it. That gives me actually a total of 6 pounds I've lost in 2 weeks. So I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, and I'm also losing inches. I've lost at least 1.5 inches on my waist. Haven't measured everything else yet. It's the weekend. I don't want to get all that into it. But I did notice a waist starting to form again on my sides. So, yeah, I've got a ways to go there. My 12s are fitting, but not comfortably. So I want to get back to a point where they're hanging on me again. When I was a teenager, I couldn't even wear hip huggers because I didn't have any hips. I still really don't have any hips. So I couldn't wear hip huggers because my waist was big, but no hips. So anyway, I'm excited about losing the 1.5 inches in my waist in the 2 weeks and 6 pounds. I'm really happy with that. So anyway, I'm thinking of anything else I've switched up. I have had some beef short ribs, which I really liked with salt. And I'm not going to add my coffee like 3 times a day like I had before. 1 time. If it's something special, maybe twice a day. But otherwise, I'm going to stay with my salt water because I really like the salt water and I find that comforting too. Not as comforting as coffee, but healthier probably. And I want to maintain the salt intake that I've had. So I'm going to be doing at least a couple cupfuls of salt water. Let's see, I think that's it. I hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. And I think that's it. I'm making Dave some meatloaf with eggs in it, but I don't want any eggs, so I don't get the meatloaf, so I'm making myself some more beef short ribs. And the dogs love the bones. So I'll leave you with that. There's always the bone. Talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.